Welcome back to Fortune Founders. In today's episode, we're featuring none other than the investing virtuosos Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, the dynamic duo at the helm of Berkshire Hathaway. Their names echo throughout the investing landscape, synonymous with success, wisdom, and an unyielding dedication to the principles of value investing. Today, we unravel their journey, how two individuals from humble beginnings crafted an investment empire that stands tall in 2023. Through their stories, we'll navigate the waters of Berkshire Hathaway's history, understand Buffett's portfolio in 2023, gain insights into Munger's views on Alibaba, and immerse ourselves in their unrivaled knowledge of markets. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of how to make money and become rich a la Buffett and Munger. The legend of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger cannot be told without paying homage to their origins. Warren Buffett, born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, showed an early flair for numbers and investments. By the time he was in high school, he was already running small businesses and making investments, a harbinger of his future success. Charlie Munger, on the other hand, hails from Omaha, Nebraska too. Born in 1924, Munger's path to Berkshire was not as straightforward as Buffett's. A lawyer by training, Munger's interest in investment led him to team up with Buffett, a decision that would forever change the course of their lives. Their paths crossed in the 1950s and they took over Berkshire Hathaway, a struggling textile company, in the late 1960s. With Buffett's strategic investing and Munger's unyielding wisdom, they transformed Berkshire Hathaway into a financial juggernaut. The company became a canvas on which they painted their investing philosophies, creating a diversified conglomerate that thrives even in 2023. Their journey is not just a tale of wealth creation, but a testament to the power of strategic partnerships, sharp investing acumen, and unwavering dedication to principles. Embarking on the main part of our journey, let's delve deeper into the investment philosophies of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, two titans whose principles continue to shape the ethos of Berkshire Hathaway in 2023. Warren Buffett, widely known as the Oracle of Omaha, is a staunch proponent of value investing. This approach hinges on the idea of purchasing stocks at less than their intrinsic value. Buffett looks for companies with strong fundamentals, excellent business models, and competent management. His penchant for undervalued, high-quality companies has been the bedrock of Berkshire Hathaway's investing strategy. Examining Buffett's 2023 portfolio provides a masterclass in strategic investing. He has always advocated for a diversified portfolio, and his investments in 2023 certainly reflect this. From technology behemoths to traditional consumer goods companies, Buffett's portfolio traverses a wide spectrum of industries. An interesting aspect of his 2023 portfolio is his take in a range of dividend stocks. Buffett's strategy in reinvesting dividends has often been lauded as a critical component of his wealth creation. The core principles driving Buffett's investment decisions are patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. He understands that the market has its cycles with periods of highs and lows. Rather than attempting to time the market, Buffett prefers to invest in companies with enduring value, confident that over time, the market will recognize and reward these companies' worth. Charlie Munger, on the other hand, complements Buffett with his lattice work of mental models approach. Munger believes in using knowledge from various disciplines to make better investment decisions. A polymath, Munger's investment decisions reflect his vast understanding of diverse fields, from psychology to mathematics. One of the intriguing aspects of Munger's philosophy is his views on Alibaba. Munger has been quite bullish on his Chinese multinational conglomerate, a stance that underscores his willingness to embrace opportunities beyond the US. Despite his potential risk, Munger sees great potential in Alibaba's business model and its ability to dominate the Chinese e-commerce market. Munger's philosophy underscores the need to venture into unfamiliar territories while remaining grounded in strong fundamentals. Like Buffett, Munger also extols the virtues of patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective when it comes to investing. Buffett and Munger's views on the future of the economy and the financial markets offer a unique perspective. They acknowledge that predicting the market's short-term movements is virtually impossible. Instead, they recommend focusing on the quality of individual companies. This principle holds even as we navigate the complexities of the financial landscape in 2023. Despite uncertainties, Buffett and Munger have expressed optimism about the future. They believe in the resilience of the U.S. economy and the potential of businesses to adapt and thrive in changing circumstances. This optimism is reflected in Berkshire Hathaway's wide array of investments, which range from utilities and insurance to technology and consumer goods. Together, Buffett and Munger have shaped Berkshire Hathaway's into a model of investing excellence. Their blend of value investing and diversified knowledge has powered Berkshire Hathaway's impressive performance. It has also laid a foundation for the firm's continued success in 2023. However, the true strength of Buffett and Munger's legacy extends beyond their wealth. Their commitment to transparency and their focus on investor education set them apart in an industry often criticized for its opacity. Through their annual letters to shareholders and their public speeches, Buffett and Munger have shared their wisdom with the world. As we explore their journey, it's clear that Buffett and Munger's success is not a result of extraordinary luck or access to exclusive information. Instead, it's a testament to the power of intelligent investing, the pursuit of knowledge, and unwavering dedication to principles. Whether it's understanding the secrets of how to make money, learning how to become rich, or gaining financial literacy, there is a lot to learn from these titans of investing. The principles of Buffett and Munger aren't just for the Wall Street elite, but can be applied by anyone seeking financial growth and independence. Take their commitment to value investing, for example. By doing thorough research and identifying undervalued stocks, anyone can potentially replicate their approach, even in today's market. Buffett's portfolio in 2023 provides key insights. His investments in a diverse range of dividend stocks is a strategy that any investor can adopt. Dividends can provide a steady stream of income, and reinvesting these dividends can lead to exponential growth over time. Munger's investment in Alibaba is another compelling example. It underlines the importance of expanding one's investment horizon beyond local markets and being open to international opportunities. In today's episode, we dove deep into the life stories and investment philosophies of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, the stalwarts behind Berkshire Hathaway. We learned about their emphasis on value investing, the significance of a diversified portfolio, and the need for patience and long-term perspectives in investing. We also explored their optimism about the future and their commitment to investor education. If you've enjoyed this journey through the lives of two of the most influential investors of our time, do give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends who might benefit from it. If you have thoughts or insights about Buffett and Munger's investing philosophies, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to Fortune Founders for more inspiring stories and practical investment advice. This is Fortune Founders signing off. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep building your fortune.